I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study late night without sleeping. First, establish a clear study plan, outlining your goals and the specific topics you'll cover. Next, prepare your study space to be well lit and free from distractions. Ensure you have all necessary materials within reach. Remember to stay hydrated by keeping water nearby and take a 5-minute break every 45 to 60 minutes. To maintain alertness, actively engage with your material by summarizing, questioning, or teaching it aloud. Incorporate brief physical activities, like stretching or walking for a few minutes, to improve blood flow and reduce drowsiness. Opt for light snacks over heavy meals, which can lead to a post-meal slump. Consider a small amount of caffeine if needed, but be mindful of your intake. Proper lighting is crucial. Bright, cool-toned lights can help signal your brain to stay awake. Change up your study methods frequently, perhaps alternating between reading, writing, and problem-solving to keep your brain stimulated. Set achievable goals for your late-night session, focusing on quality over quantity. This approach helps prevent burnout and maintains motivation throughout the night. After your late-night study, prioritize getting sufficient sleep to consolidate learning and recover. Reflect on what worked well and what didn't, adjusting your strategy for future sessions. Remember, consistency is key to building effective study habits. Also, for those looking to simplify their routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.